come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. Defi bully, Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me, me just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as my wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi, this DeFi bully. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to deposit compound on Splassive. That's a Splash, utilizes the Splash coin, the Splassive. They're having a relaunch, and it's a 24-hour event, on a 24-hour launch event where they don't charge for fees, deposits, and so forth. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the guys that, as well as a live deposit. But before we get into that, make sure you guys go over here to the DeFi Bully YouTube channel. That's when you watching this video on. Hit that subscribe button. We on that push to 1,000 subscribers. As you can see, we're steadily growing. Hit that notification bell. This is DeFi. It's time sensitive. So a while ago, let me go on the Splassive. As you can see, it looks nice. It's beautiful. They changed it up a little bit. I realized that comes right there. Once you scroll down, some of these actually move. They have like effects within the text, some of them. And I realized down here they put DeFi proof song. Oh man, I love this song. I ain't gonna lie. If you somehow watching this,
I hear you.
Really?
I keep checking on the tab for the Splassive. Making all this money, yeah, it's passive. I've been making avalanche like it's nothing.
I just like that song. It's mad dope. I would love to connect with him and just, well, I did my song on my intro, just for him to show me how to go about getting a song on one of these platforms. That's actually pretty cool. But anyway, so a while ago I did a video of me bridging coins from the Binance Smart Chain to the Avalanche chain. If you guys want to check that out, it's my last video. Just go on my channel right there. Since they revamped, oh snap, look, there go the effect. Once you move the cursor over it, the well glows. All right, well, I just did a video on the bridging the token through the means of change now. You can watch that video if you need to. As soon as they updated the website, the price jumped up almost $10. And I was telling my friends, I was like, yo, this price is gonna jump up as soon as the website is updated. Boom, instantly. So now I'm here late, trying to do another deposit. Should have did it earlier, right before it. All right, so I'm gonna go here, connect to the Avalanche Smart Chain now. I got a little bit of avax in there, and I'm gonna go ahead and deposit. And since there's no fees on buys today, it's a good opportunity to buy in. So I guess that's why a lot of people are taking advantage of that. So if you're in the tap, it's right here. This is how you collect the 2% daily. If you're not in a tap, feel free to use my wallet address. My buddy address is gonna be down below. You just will go here, and to join the wave, you'll just update the wave starter where it says, see mine. This is who's I'm using, which is actually the guy that made that song. I'm actually on his team. Shout out DeFi Proof. You know what I mean? So you just go here, put my buddy address here, and when you get someone else to join, let them do the same thing with you. So it'll be down in the description. Oh, they changed it. They changed up a lot of this. So I'm gonna go here and make a deposit really fast. Do you have to approve every time? I believe so. One thing, let me go to coin market cap. I'm going avax really quick just to make sure I'm putting out 150. Matter of fact, yeah, 150 would be 1.73 avax. 1.73 avax. Let me see how much I got to 1.89. I could work with that for now. All right, so 1.73. So I'm gonna go back to Splassive. The splash. All right. Deposit splash tokens. Oh my gosh. Sorry about that, people. You got to go over here to the well. Go to the well to make the deposit. All right, so you enter the amount of avax. For me, it's 1.73. Should be no taxes on this for the 24 hours within this video. Okay, it said I receive. Oh yeah, price definitely changing, yo. Slacked off today. I should have made a deposit earlier. I'm gonna go ahead and buy that. Confirm the transaction within MetaMask. It says the fees for this is 0.0045. I'm just being technical. Let's just see how much the fees is. 0.0045. It's about 39 cents. That's not bad. Open back that MetaMask so I could confirm that transaction. All right, hold up. Yeah, so how you guys day going, people? For me, I'm restless. I don't really sleep at night. I need to start sleeping more. And I'm out here in Jamaica, cooling it on an island, drinking some ting. You know what ting is? Comment down below what's your favorite Jamaican beverage. Wait, failed. How'd that happen? Let's try that again. Bye. Am I pressing it accidentally? Confirm. Okay, well that just went through. Okay, it didn't take too long. So now you will go to the tap, which is just like the faucet and drip. Bum, bum, bum. It'll show that. Well, you gotta bear with me. I'm new to this page too. Brand new for everybody. All right, so now you deposit your splash tokens into this. I'm gonna go ahead and try to deposit all of that. 3.262. Approve. You gotta approve it, and all of these are transactions. 0.0025. I don't really have to look up everything, but that's 22 cents. Not bad. I just want to be transparent for the people that's new to this, so they understand that all of these are fees. So make sure you have avax in your wallet when you're doing these. So whenever you're bridging tokens or adding tokens to a different blockchain, make sure you don't use all of that token, because you will need that for gas fees, if that makes sense. Okay, confirm transaction. Okay, that's the approval. Now I got deposited. What is that? Internal. I'm not sure what that is, but what's going on now? I approved it. I just took off some of those numbers off the end. I was like, I don't know. Maybe that's confusing the situation. I think I keep pressing, but yep. Yes, people. We here. The website look good. Comment down below which platforms you guys are in. This is a daily ROI platform. It pays out 2% a day. Right now, as you can see, I have $325 in here. At 1% a day, like drip, that would have been about $3.25 a day. But since they are paying 2%, that's about $6.50 a day, if I did that math correctly. And then, although that's what I have deposited, this is what I have available. So in these platforms, you only can take out what's available. The cool thing is the max payout, if I was to leave it alone and just let the available compile every day at that 2% rate, like that $5 every day, $6 every day, $6 every day, then it would do so until it pays out $1,172, which is the max payout. So let me do some quick math right there. 1,172. That's the max payout, right? 74. 1,174. Oops. Divided by $6.50. So that will actually take 180 days divided by 30. So about 6 months. It'll pay out for 6 months if I was to leave it alone. Now, the beauty by these is they utilize compounding interest. So if you, instead of claiming those rewards every day, that's unavailable, if you compound it and add it back to the deposits, it will grow the deposit, in turn growing your daily rewards at 2%, obviously. And doing that also increases your max payout. So it's pretty cool. Like I said, you could use my buddy address down below. With these platforms, you do need a buddy address to get started. So I'm not really just saying join my team for no reason. You actually do need a team to get started. So you might as well just, you know what I mean, support your boy. And also, you could do airdrops on this platform. So if you join my team with a certain amount of coins, I'll do some airdrops eventually once I start growing my bag more and more. So yeah. Airdrops is pretty much just a way of sending tokens to people that's on your team. So like just giving away money pretty much, but it helps you as well. Yep. All right, I'm gonna keep it nice, short and sweet. But remember, people, this is a great platform. You guys should hop on it, take advantage of this 24-hour launch event. But do remember, this is not financial advice.
I get paid to entertain, and all of this is entertainment.